What makes computer drafting so time-saving compared to physical drafting is that you don't have to draw the same thing twice. Anything you create can be reused over and over again. This lesson will show you how to do just that by utilizing the AutoCAD multiple document environments. The drawing on my screen has some office plan on it. I would like to add some furniture to the layout. Let's say I would like to add table and chair to this office. Now instead of going through the effort of drawing the table and chair, I'll just open another file that I created a while ago that has tables and chair on it. I'll then grab those geometry and use them in this file. I'll start by opening the other drawing. So to do that, I'll move up and click the open icon. I'll then navigate into the managing drawing folder inside my B2 Pro exercise file directory, and I'll select the 04 underscore plan A drawing and click open. At this point, I have to drawing open in the interface, though the first window is actually behind this current file. AutoCAD supports a multiple document environment. This means that we can have as many drawings open in the interface at one time as we would like. So with this advantage, we can easily move content between files. Let's look at ways we can jump between open drawings. One way is just by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl Tab. Each time I press Ctrl Tab, I can toggle between all the open drawings. Another way is by coming up here and click on the file, so I can toggle between the open drawings with a click. There are other ways to jump between open drawings, but believe me, these two will do the trick. But there are cases, like now, where I would like to see my file displayed side by side on screen. To do that, I'll click the View tab. Then I'll come down to the User Interface panel and I'll click Type Vertically. I'll minimize this one, maximize this, then click the Type Vertically again. The drawing are now placed in its own window. I'll click inside this drawing to put the focus on the file and zoom in on the office where I would like to add my furniture. Next, I'll click inside the other drawing to put the focus over there. I'll zoom in on the geometry I would like to steal. So I'll click first on the table to select it. Then I'll click and hold on the highlighted portion and I'll drag it into the other file. Also, I'll repeat the same process for the chair. I'll rotate it. So using the same technique, I can easily recycle legends, title blocks, notes, or other drawing content, even multiple files. Okay, let's select this content in this office and place them into my drawing. I'll click to select the table, the chair, the computer, and the phone. I'll then click and hold one of the highlighted lines and I'll drag this into the office. I'll rotate them too. When I'm done, I'll close the original file. There is no need to save changes. Now I'll click the maximize button to maximize my view of the current drawing on screen. The essence of this lesson is to remind you that you never have to draw the same thing twice. With AutoCAD multiple document environment, you can quickly reuse any of your drawing content in any other file you may be working on.